Harvest cabbage like a pro. Step-by-step guide for perfect heads. Hello, welcome to 7 Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Want the perfect harvest every single time? Watch this. Cabbage is one of the easiest crops to grow, but harvesting it at the right time is the key to maximizing the flavor and crispiness. I'm going to show you step by step how to harvest cabbage like a pro so you get perfect heads every time. And stay to the end for storage secret. First, check if the cabbage is ready. Give the head a gentle squeeze. It should feel firm and dense. Soft heads means it's still maturing, while loose leaves means it's ready, but don't wait too long or it may split. Use a sharp knife or garden shear to cut cabbage at the base, just above the outer leaves. Leave the roots in the soil if you want smaller side shoots to grow. That's bonus cabbage. Remove any damaged or yellow outer leaves. These are not only unattractive but can harbor pests. Your cabbage should now look fresh, firm, and ready to cook or store. Have you grown or harvested cabbage? What's your favorite recipe or what do you use cabbage for? After harvesting, rinse cabbage heads gently under clean water to remove dirt and insects. Don't soak them too long, as quick rinse is enough to keep them crisp. Cabbage stores best in cold, dry place. Whole heads can last up to 4 weeks in the fridge. For longer storage, you can shred and freeze them. I'll show that later in another video. Pro tip: harvest early in the morning for crisp, juicy heads, and if you leave a few outer leaves, your cabbage will stay fresh for longer in storage. As you can see, I have a few more cabbages to harvest. So one of them was eaten by a pest, so I'm just gonna take that out. But we're gonna continue harvesting the rest of the cabbages we have in the garden, just so that we prevent the pests from coming back for the other cabbages that we have in the garden. So follow these tips that I've given you, and you'll be able to get a good harvest and save and preserve your cabbages for a long period of time. Did I miss any harvesting tips? Do you harvest your cabbage differently? Let me know in the comments below how you harvest your cabbage differently and any other tips that you have. Check out all the cabbages that we just harvested. That's a huge harvest today. Like I said, we have one that was bitten or chewed up by pests, but we have three healthy, thriving, awesome cabbages that we have over here. We're gonna be able to eat some, and we're gonna be able to save some. Now you know how to harvest cabbage like a pro. Like, share, follow for more gardening tips and tricks that makes your garden thrive.